Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start Steam in the big picture mode. So if you want to go ahead and just use your controller right away, you can start in big picture mode. So we can go up to Steam and go to Settings. Then we can go to Interface. We can go to the right. And then we have a couple different options like Run Steam when my computer starts. We would probably want that on if we're going to be playing with our controller right away. And then we have Start Steam in big picture mode. We can just check mark this, and then anytime you restart your computer or you boot up your computer, it's going to automatically launch your computer into Steam's big picture mode. So I just have a laptop that I sometimes game off of, and I have it connected to my TV. So this is a perfect situation to have on. I can just turn this on and start gaming right away. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.